What's up guys, this is Amani Ideas. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to add the sound of a video to another video. So in this video I'll be adding a laughter sound. In a particular video I'll be adding it to another video. So guys, let me show you what I'm talking about.
Click on New Projects. Go on to add your video clips. Make sure you add the video clip that you want to extract sound from. Click on the video you want to extract from. Click on Extract Audio. Click on the video you want to add the sound to and edit properly. Adjust the sound clip and put where you want it to be. Cut out unwanted part by using Split. Click on the video and adjust the volume of the clip. Then export your video. So check out the result.
What's up guys, this is Amani Ideas. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to add beautiful and exciting captions to your video. If you find this video helpful, please do subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop new videos. See you in the next video. Thank you.